Girl, you know you got everything, every little thing that I need. Girl, you know you got everything, every little thing that I need. Girl, you know you got everything, every little thing that I need. Girl, you know you got everything, every little thing that I need. I like the way that you walk, your little style that you got. You don't dress to impress, you always looking like a mess, but you still caught my eye. Even though you're looking ghetto when you're still looking fly, I think you got everything I need. The type of girl that wouldn't give a love away for free. She's the type of girl you seek in your dreams, no more fantasizing, cause I have her right here, right next to me. And I know that she ain't the type of girl that would do me wrong. Ain't nothing better than a girl like that. I say we run away, yeah, never come back, cause you're lost in this world, cause I want you, and you want me too. So girl, we can do what we do. You ain't the type of girl that I wanna keep on the low. You're the type of girl that I wanna let the whole world know that you a keeper, and I'll never let you go. You know you got everything, every little thing that I need. Girl, you know you got everything, every little thing that I need. Girl, you know you got everything, every little thing that I need. Girl, you know you got everything, every little thing that I need.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Connie Ishel, and also please subscribe to my channel. It'll help me out a lot. So for today's video, I decided to do a tutorial on this look. So I wasn't sure exactly what look I was going for, so I just went ahead and grabbed this palette, started looking at the colors. And when I started looking at it, I was having a hard time because I wanted to do a look using all the colors, but I wasn't sure exactly how I was going to do it. So I just ended up choosing four of the colors, my bad, which is, I decided to go in with this pink one, which is Bubba Kush. And then this one, which is Agent Orange. And then this one, which is Lemon Kush, I believe. Yes, Lemon Kush. And then the Pineapple Express, which is the shimmery gold one right here. And my bad. So yeah, these are the four colors that I chose to do this look.
Look, too much whiskey in my red cup. Remember first day you wouldn't give it up. We had only scratched the surface, but I knew that you were worth it. Yeah, so I was patient. I bragged to my niggas, Joe Namath. I'm still with the niggas that I came with. But everything changed once some fame hit. Make it up, take you down, have a shot, hop out around, play my songs, you like the sound. It's going down, it's going down. Let's drink coffee, watch passerbys, and prove to you I'm not the average guy. It's just my flaws that they magnify, and when it's real, you don't have to try. Another way, tomorrow is another day. Joys take the pain away. Sometimes I wanna run away. I wish there was another way. Tomorrow is another day. Joys take the pain away. Sometimes I wanna run away.
See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly, I swear you're my savior. No. I might need a minute. I've been dying to kick it, so just come with if you with it. And this game that we're playing, you want me but won't say it. If I told you I'm leaving, you would be so devastated. Oh, and I don't want no bullshit excuse, like you ain't got no time for me, as if that shit was true. Just tell me how it is, how you want it. If you're down, want a summit, I got plans and you're one of them. Not trying to pretend. See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah.
Hold up, did you really think I'm bout it? Say she wanna leave, but it's way too crowded. But I'll vibe with you, I'm playing games, I ain't trying to lose. And if I take you back, I'ma kiss your neck. I could be your now, I could be your next. I could be the one to relieve your stress. When we talk about sex, she unzip that dress. Bless, maybe one day I could take it. Give it to me, cause I'm tired of waiting. I'm like the latest, #1 play on your playlist. Don't trip if these other girls play it. And I don't like to fight, you the type that I'd like to wife. Guy feeling like life is nice, at the movies eating Mike and Ike's. And if the price is right, then I guess I'm bout it.
See, yeah. I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah.
Champagne for breakfast, first things first, never put you second. Girl, don't be stressing, I forgot to mention I'm bad about it, don't be offended. I fucks with you cause you're down to earth. Got an ounce of perp if you're down to burn. You got a plan and you're still in school, or you got a man but that shit is cool, right? And if you like, you can stay for the night. Don't stay for the love, don't stay for the life. Know my name, then say it to me twice. Let me hear that shit, let me see that shit. You could be the one if you wanted to, or you got games, you could keep that shit. Girl, come and let me know what you wanna do.
Be who you wanna be. I will not blame you. Do what you wanna do. Don't wanna play you. If you would come with me, then I would take you anywhere you want to go. Yeah. Even if you're looking for the one, and I couldn't be him, you'd be sure to see in that I won't just go and take home anyone. I'm about you, girl. See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah.
Niggas must have forgot their alphabet. Let me explain. Here it goes. A is for ambition. Be what I wanna be. See past the situation that's in front of me. Doubters and enemies. F we say fuck them. The irony is they inspire me to love them. G is past go when ignite the cash flow. When H is put your heart in whatever's your last hope.
So now that I'm done with the eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll be right back. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video on this makeup tutorial that I created. I kind of like it so far. I thought I was gonna have trouble with them, with the eyeshadows, but it came out good. I love how it came out. Let me get a close-up for you guys. If you guys want to see any other makeup looks or want to see me do any other makeup tutorials or any other type of videos, please comment down below. Also, give this video a big thumbs up, and again, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.